YouTube, it's been a while. I'm trying to work back in the Lexus. Fog lights are out. We got brand new JDM fog lights coming in, but until then, we're going to finish up the bodywork. The front lip is finally back on after so many years. But that's when they got all bodywork and shit. Still got more stuff we got to sand out, like that stuff right there. Make sure all this is perfect. That needs to get sanded down. As you can see, the side skirts are on. This side's all bodyworked, all perfect, so not much to do. The rear bumper is going to need most of the work. And as you see, it's molded now. We just got to do some more sanding, a little bit more body filler, and we're good to go. And then we got some brand new wheels that are going on the car too. These were just for the winter. So stay tuned, YouTube. Shit, we back in action. Don't forget, we got Frankenstein too. Good to go. Shit, YouTube, let's get ready to do this. All right, vinyl stickers on there, made you look. Letting that dry right there. Then we can peel it. We're going to start doing the body work and finish sanding off the extra paint that's still on there. Primer that. We still got the rear bumper to do. We're about to go see if we can get the rims and tire mounted right now because these wires are to the metal. Fog lights are already out. Got a whole bunch of rewiring I got to do, but shit, we back in action, baby.
Professional. I've been doing it for a while. Brand new lip. You ain't gotta go crazy. Primer. You do have to make sure you give it a good cover.
Kicking here. Bodywork will be done tomorrow. We just gotta finish sanding out the bondo, put the primer on there, bring the rims on there. We're ready. Oh, one step closer. And we did order some fog lights. We got some fog lights coming in for the bottoms. The ones that come off the JDM car. So we got the social lights. So we're good to go, people. Back in action again. All right, YouTube. So we got some more sanding going on. I don't know if you can see, but the line's getting better and better. It's just about molded. Looks perfect. A couple of small pinholes we gotta fill in, but hey, that's the process. And then we gotta start sanding this side. Get this side all perfect. And then it'll be ready for some more primer. And some more sanding, you feel me? But this is what we do. Yeah, so this is pretty much the last step. All these panels are all straight. I don't know if you can see over here, but yeah, that's more paint that we're gonna have to sand. All that needs to be completely flat, or else you're gonna see it when you paint it. So that needs to get sanded again. Small little spot just got sanded. But for the most part, coming out nice. YouTube bumper's done. I think maybe on Wednesday, maybe Tuesday, we're gonna wet sand the whole car in the bottom. And then we should be ready for paint, and then we got a brand new steering rack coming in for the Lexus, but not bad at all, man. Slow progress, but you know what I'm saying? This is what you do when you want a show car. Shit, but look at that beautiful work. Right, YouTube, it's about that time. So the tape's about to get laid right now. This car will be in paint today, in clear coat. It's gonna be the same color as the wheels. All right, so as we get back in it, this is already wet sanded. Waiting for that piece to dry right there. A small little crack on the place that I did the custom bodywork on, so it is what it is. Let's come along, people.
Silver.
Is that who knew? So, ChatGPT knew. Look at that, people. All finished. Plenty of gloss. Came out perfect. All you need now is
The clear coat spill.
the swivel. Got a little bit.
All of it.